Tameron Hyundai. So excited you inquired about our brand new vehicle, the Kona. It is an amazing crossover vehicle that I'm sure you'll love. It has a beautiful cascading grille with the wraparound LED headlights, daytime running lights, also premium alloy wheels, outside indicators. You're going to get proximity key, push button start, an amazing 7-inch screen that displays all of your wonderful features for you, backup camera, heated seats. You're going to get Bluetooth, beautiful two-tone interior. This vehicle has an amazing look of an SUV with the wonderful drive of a sedan, but it is backed by amazing America's Best warranty. 5 years, 60,000 is our new car warranty. 10-year, 100,000 is the powertrain. Exclusively here at Tameron, we double that to 20 years, 200,000 miles, and you're not even tied to our service department. I mean, you can't beat the warranty. You won't beat the vehicle. You're going to love the price that we made for you, and you're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron. So come on down and see me, Christina, 205-314-0301. Look forward to meeting you soon.